Hi, I'm Dan from Arbordrone. This is a video about a topic in tree care or a reference for something that I have done. Let's begin.
Your mobile device and a generative AI app can identify plants, pests, pathogens, and give you an explanation for what you need. Okay, how do we use generative AI in the field? We're going to go ahead and do some ID. So this is what the device looks like in the field. And so I've gone ahead and taken an image with the camera through the app. Notice my keystrokes on here. I've spoken my prompt into the device. It is now getting an ID and is giving me some additional information on that ID. Simple. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the device and its ability to access photos in the field. So it's gone ahead and accessed the photos, and now I've asked it to identify the species. And so now it is going through its iterations to identify the species, and it's giving me some additional information on this as well. Very useful tool. That's how it's done.
The urban forest can be complex. Fortunately, there are tools to help us understand it. Click on the links to learn more, and thanks for watching.